Oh no, 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 no. Yeah. Oh no, 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 no. Hey guys, welcome back to Brown Skin Beauty. It's your boy Pico and the beauty herself, Beauty and the Beast. We're here with
a different video today.
What are we doing? You tell them what we're doing, baby.
So today we are doing a closet makeover because our closet is trash, it's doo-doo, it's garbage, it's all of that.
All that because of all that right there.
Okay, it's mostly because of me.
Take responsibility.
But because when we moved in, we were supposed to get these IKEA dressers that we never got. We kept putting it off.
They actually never had.
We finally got them. And we are about to just organize this closet a little bit because we have clothes in the closet, still in boxes. It's been 8 months since we moved in. Yeah. We have clothes, oh my god, all over the laundry room.
One thing, you keep saying the word we,
because let's take a look. So we're gonna take a look at the closet. We're not gonna point out stuff to ours, but
what was her line of words just now? She said we have clothes in boxes. Everything in the box is Dana's. Everything that's Pico's is hung.
So this is our closet. So over here, I tried to do a little organization thing from our last apartment. I kept it, but it's just not enough space for my clothes. These are new clothes that I have bought. I've been doing a little bit of shopping, mostly for work clothes, and I need to hang them up. So that's still there. Then I have some of my clothes hung up. This is only work clothes because everything else is in these boxes. There's also another box back there. Pico's shoes is just so much for me. It's just like a rainbow of ugly boxes and I don't like it. I wanted to get clear little shoes thing to put them in, but he don't want to do that. And then over here I just kind of have some of my stuff. And you know, it's just a mess, you know what I'm saying?
I noticed how Pico only came up one time.
So cringy. I don't want to show you guys this, but I'm going to show you guys. Up here is all Pico's stuff.
So when she says
up here is all Pico's stuff.
When she says Pico stuff,
this is all Pico stuff, and this is my bin. And then we have dirty clothes down there, which I'm not gonna get into. But you see, it's just clothes everywhere. So we just need to get it together.
But that's clothes I just wear on a daily. It ain't
okay,
like
but it's
Pico
still
stuff. Like,
but it is your stuff.
It's like this type of shit, y'all. No, it ain't really clothes.
But ain't it his stuff?
Whatever.
Anyways, we're about to take care of that today. Also, we're going to finally work on my vanity area. We just kind of abandoned this area and never finished it. Now it's turning into a Pico storage center over here.
Hey man, I had an incident. I had to store some shit, so.
Pico storage center. So we're gonna get this all together. I got some IKEA shelves. We got the dressers. So we're about to run to Walmart right now.
Handyman Pico on the way, coming to a shop near you.
Goodbye. So we're gonna run to Walmart right now, and then we're gonna pick it back up when we get back in the house. So catch us then. First thing first is literally to take everything out of the closet, and so we can have a fresh, clean, empty space to work with. So let's take everything out. You guys, so this is how we're looking. Went ahead and took everything out of the closet, and everything is everywhere. What we're gonna do now, we moved this cubby from this side to this side, and I picked up these new cubes from our storage bins from Walmart earlier. I'm trying to decide if I want to put them in here or I'm just gonna put them on top because I still have these old ones that I had. So I'm just gonna see how I want to rearrange everything. I also picked up 2 things of extra hangers just because I want to hang most of my clothes nowadays. So that is the next step in the midst of it, you guys. And I'm having a little dilemma. My heels look so ugly up here because there's nothing for them to like stand on. So I just got this cardboard from what we're working on with the IKEA stuff, and I'm just gonna place it under it so they have something flat to kind of stand on. I don't know if it's gonna look ratchet, but I figured I'd at least try. So let's see. Is there a better way to put these? Is that ugly? Or should I just put them straight up?
Put them straight up.
Or should I put them back like that?
Straight up.
I'm putting them back.
So what you asked me for?
So the big reveal for the closet, you guys. This is what the closet now looks like. It's a little yellow in here, but this is the finished product. So where we messed up on is my clothes is on this side, but my shoes is on this side. We just got too lazy to switch them over because Pico had already added his shoes over here. So yeah, but I think we figured out a way to make his shoe boxes take up less space by turning them sideways like that, and I think that just helps so much. And then the cardboard that I put up here helps with my shoes, so my shoes are doing pretty good. These bins have hats in them. These have some sweats that are really puffy and big that I didn't have anywhere else to put them, and that was empty, so I put them in there. And then these have some of my purses and wallets and stuff. So that's that. Then go down here, baby put some of his jewelry out and his belt, and we just had these boxes from the very few designer stuff that we have, so we just put them out on display. Then I have panties in here, socks in here, swimwear in here. I have a lot. I need to go through that one day and just fix it. This has some random stuff like my hat from college, and then this has some dresses that were too slinky for me to hang, so I put them there. And then this have some hair stuff that I'm probably going to switch over to the bathroom, but for now that's that. I can always add more cubbies if I need to. But yeah, and then some of my sandals are down there, and some of baby's more dressy shoes is down there. So we threw away a lot, you guys, but this is the final look.
Little.
500 years later, and we have our dressers. It's two dressers that we put together, and then we got a large glass top, you can't even see it, to put on top of both. So a lot of hours later, I wanted to just check in with you guys. So you guys saw the after for the closet, which I'm absolutely in love with. And over here I have two prints that we just went to Staples and print out. We actually only paid $2, and we got these two big ones and a couple more that I'm going to show you guys in a little bit. But for the meantime, these will go perfect above this in our room. So I'm just going to hang them right there and see how that looks, because the picture ties in with this and our curtains. So I think the room is coming together a lot better once those get hung. Yeah, so this is the next task, and we are going to get it done tonight. So this is kind of like how my vanity looks. I bought some IKEA shelves and we're going to work on it. So let me go ahead and just take everything away like I did for the closet, and just start with a fresh empty canvas. Let's go. my god, you guys, look, we're making progress. So we did the shelves, hung the picture frames. Now I'm about to start adding a few little things that I picked up for the shelves and see how that turns out. So let's go. You like it, baby? Guys, so this is the final, semi-final product. I still have to get a nice chair and a rug to go right here to finish it off, but I love how it turned out. Let me know what you guys think down below, but let me tell you where everything is from. So starting from over here, these little pink, I don't know what they are, these little pink vases are from Target. They were literally $1 from the dollar section. This camera is $6.99 from Ross. I picked this up 4 or 5 years ago when I started college, so that has been with me. Then this Fenty bomb thing is my friend Jamesia got me that for my graduation. I just think it goes well with the colors. Then these little plants I picked up from IKEA is like $1.79. Now moving over to these frames, I literally picked up the frames from the dollar store, like the frames itself. Picked it up from the dollar store, and I just picked up any random picture that they had. I took it out and I printed my own pictures. These pictures I did go to Staples and just print out regular pictures. If you have a computer at home or a printer at home, you can do that as well. You can also print it out as picture paper, so it's a little bit more glossy, but I think they look fine just like this. I literally picked these prints from Google and just print them out. Then this mirror down here is from Ross. I believe it was like $12. I picked that up. Moving down, this was also from Ross. I picked this up for like $8 a few years ago as well. This has been with me for a while. This is a recent purchase, I believe, also from Ross. Yep. This is $2.99. I just picked it up from Ross. Thought it would match my colors. This is also from Ross. This was $8. I picked that up. This vase is from the dollar store. The flowers and these little sparkly things are also from the dollar store. I got them around Christmas and I just saved them to put over here. And then over here, these shelves, as you guys know, are from IKEA. They're the lac shelves. I picked up 4 of them in total. They were like $8. This ball, I literally don't know what it is, but it's like a knot, like crystally. I don't know if you guys can see that. Don't mind my nails, it's quarantine. But I picked this up and it was $2 from Ross. It was like on sale. I'm like, wow. And then again, the same vase, and then my Gucci belt thing. I just think it adds to the aesthetic. I'm just so in love. Hey you guys, that's pretty much it. I'm in love with both our closet and my new vanity area. Very Pinteresty, oh my god. So yeah, you could definitely do this on a budget, right baby?
Yes. If you have a boyfriend that is just willing to be a slave for a day, it's nothing.
Thank you, baby. I've been complaining about these 2 projects for a long time. I've been wanting to do them since quarantine. Of course, I wasn't able to get the shelves and I wasn't able to get certain things like the dresser and stuff, so until IKEA opened. So once IKEA opened, I'm like, yeah, we got it.
She definitely been waiting for this for a long time, so I mean, we kind of just brought it to life.
And it looks so good. It makes our apartment look so good.
It's really nice. She was right. You know, she's always right. So
I'm so happy. But yeah, tomorrow I have a lot of cleaning to do because there's stuff everywhere still that needs to be put away. But I'm so happy we took the time out to do this. It cost us a good, you know, it wasn't like we spent a lot of money to get this, and it looks very nice. So next I might redo our living room, but might give me a month or 2 to do that. But yeah, you guys, thank you guys for tuning in. Let me know what was your favorite project down below. Was it the closet or was it the vanity? Mine gotta be the vanity. I'm sorry, because I've been waiting for the vanity for so long. I'm so oily. What was your favorite part, baby?
The closet.
The closet? Yeah. The closet is really nice too, so let me know.
I have a place to put my jewelry, my cool shades, you feel me? My little Cartier, my fake Cartier, throw them things on, take them off. Ooh, go.
Okay. Anyways, I've been talking a little too much. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let me know if you like these little videos. I will film us redoing the kitchen. The kitchen is nice. Oh, it's very messy right now. Don't pay attention to that. But yeah, the living room is definitely next on my list. And the bathroom. So stay tuned. Thank you guys for tuning in. I love you guys. Bye.